This is Lynette Bledsoe coming to you live from my home office here in San Antonio, Texas. And today's video is going to share something a little bit different than what you guys are actually used to with my videos. I know most of my videos, if you're following me on YouTube, most of my videos I share home business tips for those of you who work from home, any stay-at-home moms who are working a part-time business. But today I wanted to give you just a little bit of a taste of a service that I actually started using, because working from home, you kind of don't need to dress up, or if you do if you are a full-time mom and you are full-time employed outside of your home, sometimes you really don't have time to do fashion shopping. I know when my husband asked me for Christmas, he asked me, what do you want? And I started looking at these different clothing stores, and I just got so overwhelmed because I'm like, I don't even know what's in style anymore. So I decided to start looking at some clothing subscription services that are totally awesome. There's so many out there. There's like Stitch Fix, Trunk Club. The service that I'm actually excited, and I was waiting. It was super fast, but I was waiting for this service, and I did a lot of research. I found that a lot of the clothing services that are out there, what they'll do is they'll send you a box of things, which of course, if you're like me, you're probably going to want to keep everything, right? So they'll send you clothes, and you get to figure out what you want to keep, and send back whatever you don't want. For me, I kind of don't want that, because I've seen some videos out there for like Stitch Fix and Trunk Club where you end up having to pay like almost $300 if you keep everything in the box, and I didn't want to have to deal with having to send things back. I wanted to find something that was one set price, where I would just get things that were in fashion. And I'm actually looking so I can share with you guys how it works. But today what I'm going to review is a service called My Fashion Crate. So this is actually the box that I got, and I'm so excited. I've done so much research on different clothing subscriptions, but this one I'm actually the most excited because not only the way that it works is you just pay one set price, and depending on which which package you'd like to receive, I went for the highest package, but they have different packages. And what they do, and I'm going to go through them, what My Fashion Crate does is they send you things every month where it's accessories. I'm looking at the different packages. So they have 3 different packages. So you can totally pick the one you want. I picked the highest one. So the first package that they have, it's called an accessories box. And this one is cool because if you kind of want to pick your own clothing, I guess, you can start with this one. It's $20 a month. You receive a package of 2 to 3 items, including jewelry, accessories, gift cards, beauty items, right to your door. So if you're an accessory gal, $20, that's not bad at all. Then they have an essential package. The essential package is where you receive a package of 3 to 4 items, and I have my phone, so I'm making sure I'm on their site. It's 3 to 4 items, including, so this one you would get a top, dresses, accessories, gift cards, right to your door. You keep everything. That's the main part that took me so long to find a subscription service where you didn't have to worry about sending things back, but you get to keep everything. So this one, the Essentials package, is $35. Then the highest package, which I'm kind of greedy, I want everything as if, I want the best of the best. So it's called a premium package, and with this one, you receive a package of 5 to 8 items, including tops, dresses, accessories, gift cards, right to your door, and you get to keep everything you want. That one is for $49.99. So that's the package that I'm going to go through. But what the cool thing about these packages and what I've seen in other videos is that they give you a description of everything you get. So this is the description, and you see everything here. I kind of saw what was in this package already, which is what made me want to start. I saw some other videos for January by other people on YouTube, and I was like, I really like that package, so I definitely want to check it out. So I wanted to share with this one with you guys. So let's go through it. So let me see. going to show you guys everything that's in this box. So, and one thing I've noticed with my fashion crate is they send you things that are either earth-friendly, they're positive. The jewelry accessories, they're usually, I've seen things that are vegan in other months. So that actually definitely sparked my interest. So the first thing is, which I was super stoked about, is this shirt. So if you see there, it says, live your dreams. I love companies that send out positive messages, and I've seen that this company has done that many occasions in their monthly subscriptions. So I love that shirt, and you can see that shirt right there. Let me see the shirt. I don't think I see the shirt here. Oh, yes, I do. I'm sorry. I'll give you the value of each product. So the t-shirt, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, the t-shirt, this t-shirt is valued at $35. And you're probably thinking $35, that's crazy, but you can tell the t-shirt is worth the price because of the material. The material, this is like that soft cotton, so you can definitely, I can see myself wearing that out. And just going back, being a full-time mom and working from home, sometimes, like I said in the beginning, you don't have time to go shopping, but also you kind of don't know what's in style anymore, because I used to read In Style magazine when I used to live in New York. I was into the In Style magazine, a Latina magazine. I was looking at all these fashion magazines living in New York, because I would take them and that's what I would read on the train. But because I'm no longer in New York, I don't have that time, that extra time that I used to ride in the subway to look at that stuff anymore. So this, for me, if it helps me, I'm in my very early 40s. I'm 41, just sharing. But just for me, being outside of that New York scene, you're not really in the loop of fashion anymore. Anyway, that's for myself, but not in the loop of fashion anymore. So if I can find a company that keeps me looking nice, I'm definitely all for it. So let me see what else is in this package. And these are kind of cool because it's like a surprise in your mailbox every month. So these are really comfortable and really cute, but these are some comfy socks that I can totally see myself using with like boots or my sneakers. It's still pretty cold here. I love socks. These socks value are $15, so these are really cute. So I can see myself rocking these. These are from, it says here, Minky Accessories Socks. So these are valued at $15. So you see, so far, this is about $50. That's almost the price of your box so far. So let's see what else. I'm going to put this aside. Just a little bit bigger. I want to grab the smaller ones. Let me see. Okay, cool. So this one I was pretty excited about because I actually I haven't used like a brow definer. This is a brow wand. I think you should be able to see that there. You see that? Okay, so this brow wander is, where are you? The brow wand is from Skone Cosmetics. You can probably see that right there. Somewhat. I know the plastic is a little bit shiny, but that's from Skone Cosmetics, sorry. This one is valued at $18. So I rarely buy, I do buy makeup, but not things that are very expensive. So let me fix my hair. So that's super good because I am totally going to use that. Now the next thing you have, and this one I saw on one of the other YouTube ladies. This nail polish, I've never even heard of it, but she said this is actually the price. So get ready. This is Lauren B. You see that? And I know it's hard to see the color. This one is like a grayish purple color. Lauren B, if you look it up, and I've looked it up, and that's how I saw. Lauren B, where are you? What's the color? Okay, this is valued at $18. So just from the stuff that I'm talking about, this is way, way beyond the price of the box, the package that you're getting on a monthly basis. That's why I said I kind of like to do that top package, just because I'd rather get everything, as much stuff that I can get for the price of just $50. And then there is a Busy Bee Beauty Showerless Shampoo, which is right here. If you can see that. There you go. Busy Bee Showerless Shampoo. This is valued at $10. This is super awesome. I've never used a dry shampoo, so I'm super stoked to try this one. And then we have this purse. Seriously, I saw a couple other videos with this purse, and I'm super excited to try this one. This one is a, where's the purse? Where's the purse? It's in the front. This one comes actually with the premium package. So with the premium package, you get 2 extra items than what you normally get with that middle package, with that essentials package. This is a crossbody purse, and the crossbody purse is $50. It's $48. Super pretty, right? This is super nice. And you can, take the straps and put it in, and actually you can, I've seen a couple other folks do it. Let me see. I don't know if this is going to work. I have iPhone 7. Oh, my iPhone 7. Okay, my iPhone 7. I have an iPhone 7 Plus. So my big phone does fit in here. And then last but not least, we have a, where are you? A soft open knit cardigan. This lightweight cardigan is a perfect place for staying cozy. The delicate light green color is so easy to love. This is valued at $50. So super happy, excited to see this one. Let me see. And I don't actually own anything in green, so this will be my first thing that I own in green. So this is super exciting. This is really, really nice. And this sweater, again, is valued at $48. So I can totally see myself rocking this along with this sweater. So that's super awesome. I definitely, January, this is my, again, after doing a lot of research, I chose my fashion crate just because not only do you get clothing, accessories, makeup, things like that, you just get so much more value for your dollar. Again, it's only $50. So I'll put the link under the video if you guys are interested, want to take a look at it. But all I can say is it's definitely worth it. So with that being said, you guys, hope you have an awesome, awesome day. If you tell me what you like best, do me a favor, and if you don't mind, this is my first unboxing for this company, but like this video, comment below which product you would want to check out, which one would you be interested in. I'm totally interested in all of them, but especially the purse. I'm a purse queen, so that purse got me. It got me. I'm super excited that I chose that high package. But which one of these packages, or sorry, which one of these products you think look best? It looks like the socks, the sweater. I do definitely love that t-shirt. So with that being said, hope that helped you guys. If you did research like me, I saw so many videos, but this one, I hope it brought value to you guys. So see you guys at the top and on the next video.